and I've got a really fun video to share with you today. This is going to be a craft with me, and I hope that you will follow along and make some of these yourself. I picked up this package of envelopes right here. They're the A2 envelopes. They have all these beautiful colors, and I got them at Hobby Lobby when all the Paper Studio stuff was on sale. So you get 100 A2 envelopes in here, and they're so pretty. Lots of beautiful colors. And I decided I wanted to make some envelopes to go along with the Paige Evans Blooming Wild collection. So this is the 6x8 paper pad, and it really inspired me to make some of these cute envelopes. And I also have some cut aparts from the collection and all the things that come with it. So I wanted to decorate one of these envelopes on video for you. I'm going to be using this color right here. It's really pretty, and I even have like the washi tape, so I used some washi, and I pulled in a few little scraps from my stash and stickers, but most of it is just that Blooming Wild collection. So this isn't like a step-by-step tutorial, but I am going to show you how I put these together. I just use paper scraps. So any of the scraps that I have, I just kind of ripped them up to make them look more collagey. And the two tips I have if you're gonna decorate these, have some kind of label or blank area near the middle so you can put the person's name on there. And then one focal point. So I have the heart on this one and the little flower on this one as my focal point. And the rest of it is just like very collagey. I added some just random stickers. It's so cute. And I love how messy and artsy it is. So you can take any envelope, just if you don't have an envelope punch board and you just want to get envelopes from the store, this is a great way to decorate them with the paper. Now these are not for mailing. I mean, you could try to mail them, but a lot of these little pieces might come up in the mail shoot thing. But these are more to make a cute card and envelope and to put your friend's name and maybe attach it with a package that you're gonna be mailing. But for these two, I made some cards. So for this one, I made this card, and it's super easy. I just used that 6x8 paper pad. So I actually left these at 8 inches, and then I just cut this part down to 5.5. So that one goes with this envelope. So that one goes in here. And I just added a sticker from the collection to the flap of the envelope. So wouldn't that be so cute for like Mother's Day or something? You could put mom on here or whoever you're giving that to. And then for this one, I pulled kind of from the purple paper and the washi. And here's my card. It kind of has the same little heart on it. There's the card. And I'm just going to pop that right into here. There's the sticker I added to that one. So those are my two envelopes that I made, and I want to make this one on camera with you guys. So sit back and relax and enjoy as I decorate this envelope. Okay everybody, there are my 3 envelopes. This was so much fun. You could do this in like more of a vintage style with the craft color envelopes or just plain white envelopes. You could decorate those really nice. I hope that you enjoyed this. I can't wait to give these to family and friends, and you can make like a pack of these and sell them at your craft fair. It is so much fun. I hope that you'll give it a try, or I hope that you crafted right along with me. There is no rules on these, anything goes. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!